So you know that annoying dinging noise when you open your door? Yeah, that noise. And you don't have a key, but it's still doing it. Well, I got tired of it. So I'm gonna fix it. So I stick the hole. Get it nice. I probably need the key. Oh. Okay, it's in here somewhere. So you put it in. Yep, that's it. Oh, come on. There we go. Alright, so you see this metal tab right here? That's causing the noise. What the f... Okay. Alright, so I got the screw here, and the screw here out. Now I just gotta get this part out, which is... and that thing's in there. So I gotta get one of these. If you're not sure, just mark the tip of it and then grab it. Make sure that it's spinning. Okay, got it out. Okay, so you see this black wire? That's the problem. Alright, so as soon as it touches metal, it's gonna, can we focus? It's gonna have issue. Watch, we'll touch it again as soon as I touch it. So if you really don't care, you could just not let it touch metal. You put a piece of tape around it or something. You tuck it back in, and you're good. Now just put this stuff back on. As you see, pretty much back on. I just gotta clip it back in place. There's so many threads on this. This is ridiculous. Okay, that's tight enough. Hey, I don't need to tighten any more than that. And word to the wise, these little tiny screwdrivers probably aren't the best, but I couldn't find another screwdriver, so it had to do. Oh, it's not lined up. Oh, there goes my screwdriver. Nothing like doing things outside in your driveway, right? Where'd the screw go? Oh, there it is. I found the screw. You don't gotta worry about your airbag or anything unless you mess with some wire that's not the correct wire, I guess, but should be good. Okay, one's in. And we always go to do the opposite one. Just get this sucker in there. Make sure we clamp the shell together, or screwing it in, so we don't screw it in weird, wonky. So fun fact though, recently, as of like January, I got hired as a manager for a diesel mechanic shop. Fuck. So that's fun. Seen a lot of cool stuff with diesel. Got a Hellcat in there right now. Pretty awesome. Expensive. Oh my gosh, so expensive. Definitely not something I think I'd be working on. I'd rather be working on these little things. They're not worth much, I guess. Because I don't value myself that much. Whoa, man. I don't even have the right fucking screwdriver. Whoa. Not me. And look at that. I can now open my door without any problem. Now, to be fair, that light's probably never going to come on this door, but it is what it is. If I really want the light on, I'll just open up that door. I really don't care. Oh, fuck. Getting a cramp in my palm. Oh, look at all those veins. Fuck. Oh yeah, real skinny man. All right. Door's open, no more dinging. Car still works. Oh, fuck. I don't know where my keys went. That'll be the next episode. All right, guys. See you later.